Hello people, my name is Miles6 because 1 through 5 are gone. In today's video we're gonna do what a lot of YouTubers have been doing these days. Google Feud. Hopefully it will be fun. I must say that I'm not the best when it comes to Google searches and stuff like that. So let's see. Let's choose a category. Questions. Is my bird dead? Yes. Is my bird pregnant? I can totally do this. Is my bird a pooper? Is my bird Twitcher? Is my bird blue? Gay, sick, molting, cold. Next round. Let's do people. My feet smelled like cheese. Whoa. Well, mine don't. Just for your information. My feet smell like mushrooms. My feet smell like poo. Okay, my feet smells like fart. Okay. My feet smell like bad. Fritos, popcorn, cheese, death, vinegar. Let's do people. I think I have diabetes. I don't know how to type that. I think I have cancer. It's bad. I think I have AIDS. Okay, I'm sorry. I think I have a problem. HDAD, UT, add, lupus, the flu. Let's do culture. The NRA is gay. I have no idea what the NRA is. Oh. Please don't shoot me. Let's do names. Rolf, Lauren. I knew it, I just couldn't spell it. I don't know any other Rolfs. Rolf the Simpsons? Rolf Stanley funeral. Don't know them. Let's do questions again. Should I go to church? Should I go to the mall? Should I go to YouTube? Law school, college, the ER, prom. Let's do people again. People have a lot of problems. I lied about my grades, job. It's not like I've done that. I lie about my profile, age. Of course, let's do culture. Sparkling water. Sparkling stars. What? Sparkling eyes? The eyes, not the eyes. Let's do questions again. Or yeah, I didn't like names that much. I'm sorry. What the hell is a dog? Alien. Book. I don't know what those are, except from the meme ones. I know what memes are. Let's do people again. I accidentally ate. Oh, I saw this in a video. I should probably take a new one. How do I do a new one? Oops. Now I started all over again. I lost my score. I guess I ended there and then you saw my score. I hope you liked that and please give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Peace.